Take a look at this duck pond. It is cold, but the water still flows. The sheet of ice over here. They are. It is cold here in central Ohio. Real cold. But the duck pond continues to flow. Let's see if we can kick this out. Alright, hopefully I don't fall on my butt. Oh, here we go. Still goes. It is cold. If you live in the Midwest of the United States, the next few days is going to be really, really cold. Keep your animals warm. These chickens, ducks, they're surprisingly hardy. Just make sure they stay dry and draft free, and it's amazing the temperatures that they can survive at. Yeah, so I just thought I'd throw this little update up here. I saw this duck pond, thought it was pretty darn cool. So I'll get a video out here soon. I got a lot of things planned for the spring, a lot of exciting things, a lot of content. Stick with me, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll get a video out as soon as I can. See ya.